quadratic and cubic, correct? So how many zeros are there in linear polynomial? Yes, only one zero. In quadratic polynomial, 2. And in cubic, yeah, it's 3. Good. And you all know the standard form. Yeah, so this is the standard form of linear, ax plus b. For quadratic, it is ax square plus bx plus c. And for cubic, it is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Okay. So this we have seen already. Yeah, so let's continue with the problems actually. So we were in 2 mark question section, right? Yes. Are you guys there? Can you hear me? Okay. So till yesterday, like in the last class, I think we had solved till question number 46, correct? Do you guys remember? Okay, so we have done till question number 46. So let's start from 47. Ready guys? Okay, so let's start. So question number 47, what does it say? One of the zeros of polynomial, this is the polynomial, is twice the other. So it means one of the zeros of polynomial is twice the other. Find the values of k. So here they have given p of x as, this is our polynomial, 2x square minus 6x plus k, right? This is polynomial they have given, and they are asking you the value of k, correct? They are asking you to find the value of k. Yeah, but one more data they have given, what? One of the zeros is twice the other. Means if I take one zero as alpha, it is twice the beta. Can I write this? Right, one of the zero is twice. Twice means double. Getting me? Yeah. So this is the data they have given. Alpha is equal to 2 beta. Now, as per this question, what is A? What is the value of A, B and C? Yeah, it's 2 minus 6 and K, not 1. K. At the place of C, they have given K. Got it? So, yeah, write it. Then we know that. What is the sum? It is minus B by A, correct? So sum I can write it as alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is minus of minus 6 by 2. If you solve, you'll get alpha plus beta as 3, right? 2 3s. Minus minus becomes plus. Okay. Now coming to product. Okay, what is the product formula? Yeah, C by A. And this can be written as alpha into beta. C is K and A is 2. So alpha into beta is equal to K by 2. Okay. So this you can keep as it is. Now come again to this part. As per the data, what can we write alpha as? Yes, 2 times of beta. So I will substitute here alpha is 2 beta and beta as it is, which is equal to 3. So if we solve this, this becomes 3 beta, which is equal to 3. So beta is 3 by 3, that is 1. So what is the value of beta? 1. So what will be alpha? It is 2 times of beta, no? So 2 into 1. So alpha will be equal to 2. Got this? Yeah, so we have the values of alpha and beta. Now substitute in this. So here alpha is 2, beta is 1, which is equal to k by 2. So 2 is equal to k by 2. On doing cross multiplication, we'll get the value of k as 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. So answer is 4. Got it guys? Everyone following? So These all are like exam questions. They have mentioned here. It was asked in September 2020 for 2 marks. Okay. Any doubt in this? So try to practice them. Once you have understood, you should practice. Only then you will be able to solve in your exam, whether it is class test or FA or final exam. So I'll erase this. Next, question number 48. Can you try yourself, everyone? Question number 48. You can zoom the screen, write the question and solve. Question number 48. I have shared it. I have shared it already yesterday itself. Okay, I'll repeat it again. Are you there in the group, WhatsApp group? Okay, so I'm sharing it again. Okay, so I've shared it. You can just refer it, and you can zoom this. You can zoom the screen if you're using mobile. Even it can be done in the laptop as well, or system, whatever you have. Okay, so did you all try this? Question number 48. Have anyone solved? Okay, you can just see they have given the sum and the products. So sum and products of the zeros of this polynomial. So I'll write here. Can you see whatever I am writing? Okay, so this is the polynomial ax square plus bx minus 4. This is what they have given, and as per the data, the sum is 1 by 4. What is the value of sum? Yeah, and the product is how much? Minus 1, correct? Yeah, this is the data they have given, and they are asking you to find the value of a and b. So in this equation you need to find the value of a and b. Okay, so a, b and c, I'll write it here as per standard form. A is a itself, b is b, and c is minus 4, correct? Right? Okay, now what is the formula of sum? It is minus b by a. So I'll write directly here, minus b by a is equal to 1 by 4. Are you following? Okay, now product is c by a. So I'll write this side, c by a equals to minus 1. Any doubt till here? Okay, now just look at these two, both of these. Here in the sum side, the value of a is how much? It is 4, correct? But in this product side, it's not given, so it is 1 itself. But we have to make which is the bigger number. Got it? Both the values should be same. So here it's 4. So even this side I will make it 4. But that is possible when I multiply and divide the whole by 4. Are you getting? Yeah, so that is the step I'm going to do here. So here c becomes, c by a becomes minus 4 by 4. Are you getting? Yeah, so now as per the data, we got the value of 1a as 4, b is minus 1, and c is minus 4. So they were asking only a and b. So this is the answer. A is 4 and b is minus 1. Got it? Others? Any doubt? Yeah, it's easy actually. Okay, next question number 49. Again, find the zeros. So which method are you going to use here? Find the zeros of polynomial p of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. So which method are you going to use to find the zeros? You have already learnt this in quadratic equation chapter. Exactly, you have to use factorization method. So here they have given p of x equals to x square minus 5x plus 6, right? So a is 1, b is minus 5, and c is 6. So each time you, what you do here, a into c you do, a into c you should write here, and b you should write at this point. Now which are the two terms? On multiplication you should get 3 and 2, minus or plus? Both, both should be minus. Both should be minus. Got it? Why? Because you need minus 5 here. So if both of them are negative, only then you can do the addition. Are you getting? Yeah, and minus into minus is plus. So we have plus 6 already in the question. Now solve it. So I'll write this again. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Now zeros means this will become 0. P of x becomes 0, and this is x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. I hope you know this step. X is common here, so you'll get x minus 3. In this step 2 is common, minus 2, so again you'll get x minus 3. Now x minus 3 is common, so you'll get these values. And since they had asked find the zeros, you have to substitute both to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0, x minus 2, sorry, x minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, so on solving we'll get x as 3 and here x as 2. These values only we call it as alpha and beta. Got it? Everyone, any doubt in this question? Okay, I hope everyone have understood this. So yes, someone has raised their hand. If you have any doubt, please ask. If it was by mistake, you can unraise it. We'll move to the next question directly. Okay guys? Yes? Are you all there? Okay, so question number 50 of 2 marks. What does the question says? Can anyone read it? Yeah. So just by looking at the roots, most of the students get headache, right? Yeah, they hate this root value. But it's easy. Yes, please mute unless it is important. Kindly mute yourself. See, they are asking to find the polynomial whose zeros are plus root 3 and minus root 3. So which type of polynomial are you going to get, whether it is linear, quadratic or cubic? Can anyone tell me that first? How linear? Zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. How many zeros they have given? 2. So 2 zeros means which type of polynomial? Yeah, so it will be a quadratic polynomial. So we will assume it as p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Got it? We need to find the value of a, b and c. X will be the variable. Got it? So they have given the two values. Alpha, you can imagine it as root 3 and beta as minus root 3. Right? Okay. Now we know the formula. What is sum? Sum is minus b by a. Means alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Correct? Here it is root 3. Alpha is root 3. Beta is minus root 3. Both equals to minus b by a. So if you simplify this, you are going to get in LHS as 0. Right? 0 is equal to b by a. Okay, so keep this in left side itself. Now what is the product formula? C by A. Very good. So alpha into beta, which is C by A. Alpha is root 3 into minus root 3, which is equal to C by A. So if you multiply root 3 into root 3, it's become 3, which is equal to C by A. Correct? Now, as per this left side, A is 0, B is 0, right? But what will be C as per this data? C will be minus 3, correct? So if you solve, if you substitute in the equation P of x equals to A, so it is 0, 0x square plus 0x and C is minus 3. Okay, so the answer is, what is P of x? P of x is equal to, it's just minus 3. This is the standard equation. Either you can write this or this. Got it? Any doubt? Okay, so I hope it's clear. All the 2 mark questions we have solved, right? So they are important, keeping your exam in mind. Okay, yeah, so let's go to the 3 marks section. Question number 51. Can anyone do it? First read it, understand, and tell me what have they asked. Yeah, so this is for 3 marks. So whatever we were doing, that was like half of the step. If you add one more step, it will become 3 marks. Okay, see here, they have given, find the zeros of the polynomial this p of x. So I'll write it here. P of x is x square minus 2x minus 8. First we need to find the zeros. We need to find what? Zeros. Then we need to verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So next step is verification. So verification means you know sum and product, minus b by a, c by a. Got it? So let's find the zeros first. So to find the zeros, we are going to use the method of splitting the middle term or factorization. Got it? So it's minus 8 and minus 2. I think 4 2s are directly we will get minus 4 plus 2. Right? I hope you know this step. Correct? Yeah. So if you write here, this is 0. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8. So you take x common, you'll get x minus 4. Again 2 common, you'll get x minus 4. Now x minus 4 is common, you take it out, you'll get x minus 2 here. Equate it to 0. Both of the terms, equate them to 0. So x you are going to get 4 here, and here you are going to get 2. So these are the zeros of the polynomial. Got it? Now sum of these zeros, you have to do this. Sum of zeros, whatever you have got. So if you do, you will get 4 plus 2. How much is 4 plus 2? 6. Now using the coefficient, what is the formula? Minus b by a, right? So b is how much? Minus 2. Any mistake here? Everything is fine? Exactly, this is plus 2, right? This is the step. So you should take that as plus 2. Plus 2, then x minus 4. So this is x minus 4, this is x plus 2. So x, one is 4 and the other is minus 2. Now it's correct. So what is 4 minus 2? This will become minus. It is 2 itself, right? Yeah, so 2. And here, using the coefficient also, you are getting the same. So sum has been verified. Any doubt? Next is product of zeros. So using the values, we have 4 into minus 2, which is equal to minus 8. Now using the formula, what is the formula? C by A, correct? Yeah, so minus 8 by 1, which is equal to minus 8. So even these two are same. Got it? Any doubt, everyone? Okay. Now can you try the next question? Is it visible? Okay. Yeah. So next is question number 52. It's similar. So I want you people to tell me the zeros. First tell me the values of zeros. Then you can do the sum and product. Yes? Yes, please. Yeah. No, no, no. You can see here. I just a minute. See here. Can you see this? No, this is based on the zeros which we got. Okay. And now the below part here. This is the verification part using the coefficient formula minus b by a. So b, as per this question, a is 1, b is minus 2 and c is minus 8, right? So you can see here b, I have substituted here minus b, minus of minus 2, and a is 1, so I have not written that, but it's understood. Got it? Similarly with c, product we have got using the values what has been got here 4 and 2, and using formula c by a we have got that too. Got it? So this is one method. Some of the teachers or in book it might have given first they will write sum of the zeros, product of the zeros, then they will do this verification using coefficient. Even that is fine. Got it? You will get the same answer. Okay. Yeah, so this question we'll do in the second method as well. Actually it is same, but I have written it combinedly, that's all. Try this 52nd, everyone. Minus 2, minus 5. Okay, others? Are you trying? Shall I go with direct answer or should I solve it? It has been asked in June 2025 and also April. Oh, sorry, this is 2023 and April 2025. Means this last exam they have asked this. Okay, so what are the zeros you are getting? The values of x as minus 2 and minus 5. Everyone same? Okay, so what will be the sum? Sum will be minus 2 and minus 5. It will be minus 7. Okay, what will be the product? Yeah, 5 2s are 10, minus minus plus. Okay, now this step verification. See, so even you can do in this way. So we have here p of x as what? X square plus 7x plus 10. So a is 1. What is b here? B is 7. C is 10. Yeah, so using sum formula. Sum is minus b by a. So what is b here? 7 minus 7 you will get. So it is minus 7, right? Product is c by a. So you have to write this c by a. If you write directly answer, yeah, they may cut some marks. So you should write b by a, c by a, and try to put them in box like this. It will be a kind of highlighting the formula. Okay. So again it is C by A. So you can see we have got the same values, product and sum. Understood? Any doubt? Yes. Have you understood, everyone? Okay, fine. Next, question number 53. Even this is very important. So here most important questions are these only. 51, 52, 3 and 4. Okay. And this type of question they are asking recently. This 55. Even this 56 is same as 53 and 4. 3 marks section only. This 5 marks they have asked. No, that one. So let's solve this 53. Can you try? Yes, read the question, understand and solve. First you should understand what are they asking. Based on that you should approach the question. Just don't write like you have to find the value or whatever. Understand, then you solve. They are asking you to write the polynomial whose sum and product are these two values. Yeah, you need to find the polynomial first. Once find, sorry, yes, what is the polynomial? Okay, as per you it is x square plus 3x plus 2, right? Okay, so let's wait for others response. Have you got the same, everyone? X square plus 3x minus 2. Okay, some of you are telling minus 2. Okay, we'll verify this. Let's see. So as per the data, uh, plus 3. Okay, fine. So let me check it. Let's solve. So as per them, the sum is minus 3 and product is 2, correct? We know the formula. What is the formula of sum? Minus b by a, right? So I'll write it here as it is. In product is c by a, so which is equal to 2. Now in denominator we don't have anything, so I'll write it as 1, right? It will not affect our values. Now comparing the coefficients, we get a as 1. Look here carefully, b. In b, here we have minus b and here minus 3. Both the minus will get cancelled, so we'll get the b value as 3. Got it? And c will be 2. Now what is the polynomial? P of x is ax square plus bx plus c. So after substituting the values, you will get it as x square plus 3x plus 2. So plus 2 is right, minus 2 is wrong. Got it? Yes? Everyone? Can you hear me? Yeah, please sit at a location where your network is very good. Connectivity should be good at your location because others can hear me, isn't it? Okay. Now this is one part. If you solve this much, you are going to get 1.5 marks. Now the second part of the question is find the zeros of this polynomial. Zeros means you need to find values of x, alpha and beta. Okay, so same, use the method of factorization to find the zeros. You can write that also. To find the zeros, either you can use factorization method or splitting the method, both are same. Using, I'm writing here directly, factorization method. So again here you should get 2, here 3. So it's 2 ones, right? Yeah, so just substitute is x square plus 3x plus 2. P of x is 0. Now x square, 3x can be written as 2x plus x or 1x. then 0, you take x common, you'll get x plus 2, and if you take 1 common, again you will get x plus 2. Now take x plus 2 as common, you'll get x plus 1 here. Equate them both to 0, you'll get x as minus 2 here, and x plus 1 0, you'll get x as minus 1 here. So these are the zeros of polynomial. Understood? So this step again 1.5 marks. Either they may give you 2 marks for this, 1 mark for this, or 2 and 1 like this, or 1.5. Okay, but you should know the whole step. Got it? Everyone following? Okay. Okay, some of them have joined now to the group. I'll share the link so they can join. You can share the link, class link, with your friends, especially of SSLC class. Don't share with others, like of 8th, 9th. Okay, any doubt in this? If you practice, this will be easier. Okay, as per them it's difficult one, but I think it's easy. Everyone can solve it, isn't it? Yeah, next is question number 54. Again it's same method. Can you try and tell me 54? Same which I did just now. You have to solve it using same method. You need to find the polynomial. Sum is given as 7 and product is given as 12. Once polynomial is found, you need to find the value of its zeros as well. Okay. Okay, so one answer we have already got. Yes, please tell the answer. X square minus 7 plus 12. Okay, others, are you getting the same? Okay, so let's check. I'll do it directly here. So sum they have given 7 and product is 12. So see, in exam you should approach like this. I'm writing it directly, but in exam if you write, you should write let the polynomial be. Let the quadratic polynomial, write in full sentence, be p of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c. Got it? Then you should start. I'm solving here directly, but I'm informing you in the beginning itself. Okay? Yeah, so sum, use the formula now. Minus b by a equals to 7. Product c by a equals to 12. So as per this, a is 1, b is minus 7 and c is 12. So our polynomial is x square minus 7x plus 12. Yeah, it's correct. So this is half of the solution. The other half, what is that? To find it, yes, what are the zeros? Have you solved already? P of x is, yes, have anyone got the answer? Yes, yes, please ask. I think the formula is x square plus sum of x plus product, something like that. Yeah, you can use that as well, not a problem. But you should understand the concept. Don't just behind the formula. How that formula came, you should know. Okay. So the formula you can forget, but if you practice this method, it will be. Sorry. Okay. Yes, the guy who asked the question. Have you understood? Minus 3 and minus 4. Okay, this is right. Yeah, so let me solve it. x square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. So x is x minus 3, here minus 4, x minus 3. X minus 3 is common, you get x minus 4 here. So put zeros all over the equation. Okay, so x value you are getting plus 3 and plus 4. Have you got this? Okay, so this is correct. See, the student who has uh, he told me that they have given one formula. Actually the formula is same. See, it's like ax square. Okay, then they might have given this minus sum x, minus of sum x plus product. I think this is the formula. Okay, if it is there in book you can use, or else you can go with this method. This is easy and it's common for all type of question. Okay, are you guys getting it? Okay, fine. So I think we are done with 3 mark questions. So these are very important, you can expect in 3 marks. One question surely they may ask you. The question might not be same, but it will be similar. Similar means just values they may change, but the steps remains same. Got it? Okay, next is the last 2 questions. We are left with just 2 questions and they are very important. Okay, look at question number 55. Ready everyone? Yes, Mr. Akram, you have raised your hand. If you have any doubt, please ask. Some student known as Movie Akram. I can read only the names which is being shown here. ID name I can read. If you have any doubt, no? Okay. Look at this question. This is a little different. What they have asked, find the quadratic polynomial represented in the graph. Verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficient. Okay. So instead of giving the direct value, they have given you a graph. Okay. So we can write let the quadratic polynomial be p of x, which is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Correct? Now from the graph, you have to find the values of 0. So on x axis, where are the zeros value? If you just look at it carefully, if you look here, this is plus 4, correct? Yeah, no, it is plus 4 and this side it is minus 1. Okay, on these 2 points the graph is cutting on these 2 points only. Which are those 2 points? Minus 1 and plus 4. Yeah, that's all. For this you will get 1 marks. This is the only extra step. The rest is same as 3 marks. Now we have the zeros already, right? So you can use the formula same. Sum is what? Sum. You have to add these two. First sum of the zeros is minus 1 plus 4, which is equal to plus 3. And product is how much? Minus 1 into 4. So you are getting minus 4. Got it? Yeah. Next step. See, we know the formula. Sum is equal to minus b by a and product is equal to c by a. So sum, how much we have got here? 3. So 3 is equal to minus b by a and product we have got minus 4. So this is c by a. So using this data, the value of a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 4. Any doubt in this? See, what is the confusion? Like what confusion you may get, where you can get confused. See, whatever values you have got here, minus 1 and plus 4. some of the student will take them as like this is a sum and this is product. That is wrong. These are the zeros. What are they? They are the zeros. Means one is alpha, the other is beta. Got it? They are the values of x. So you need to do the sum. Means you need to add both of them and then multiply both of them to get product. There is the that is the confusion most of the students get. Based on the experience, I am telling this. Okay, so you need to be careful in this step. Now have you understood? So the answer is p of x is ax square, x square minus 3x minus 4. This is the polynomial, right? Okay, and verify the relationship. I don't know why they have given this. It's already done here. Okay, actually we'll get the same no if we verify. Okay, just write here that also same thing we are going to get. Sum is minus b by a. So if you write, you'll get minus of minus plus 3. Correct? So here whatever we have got plus 3, here also we are getting same. And product is c by a. So we'll get minus 4 by 1, which is minus 4. Again, you can see we have already got minus 4. Any doubt? Cleared? Yeah, so this type they may ask this year. It's little different. They have asked already, but for 1 marks. Just by giving the graph, they ask this question: what are the zeros? But for 4 marks, they may ask you the polynomial as well as the relationship. Any doubt? Easy? Okay. Now the final question. Sorry? No, no, no. This question was asked like last year. They had given this graph. Okay, and they has asked what are the zeros of this graph. Okay. No need to draw this graph. Just it might come for 1 mark or MCQ. So only the first step is in us minus 1 and 4. Okay. I think we solved this question in the last. Yeah, here you can see here question number 35, 39. Last yesterday we have solved this already. Find the zeros given in the graph. So it was minus 1 and 4. I think same question, same graph they have given. Okay, so this is for 1 mark, and if they ask you to verify, solve and all, that will be for 3 to 4 marks. Okay, so shall we go to the last question now, the final question? Okay, so as per the data, let's see. Write the quadratic polynomial whose sum and product are minus 6 and 8 respectively. Okay, find the zeros of polynomial. Okay, verify the relationship. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so again let the polynomial be, yes, yes, exactly, p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Okay, now sum they have given, sum is minus 6 and the product is 8. So we know that sum, what is the formula of sum? Minus b by a, which is minus 6. And what is the formula of product? Yeah, so c by a is 8. So as per this data, a is 1, b is 6 and c is 8. So our polynomial is x square plus 6x plus 8. Any doubt? So this is one part of the question. But they have asked you what? Yes, write the polynomial. So we got the polynomial. Next is find the zeros. Okay, so let's find that. To find the zeros, yeah, minus 4 and minus 2, yeah, that's correct. But let us solve. So 8 here, 6 here, 4 twos are directly. So P of x is equal to x square plus 6x plus 8. So this is 0. So after substituting we'll get 4x plus 2x plus 8. Now take x as common, you'll get x plus 4, and take 2 as common, again you'll get x plus 4. So x plus 4 and x plus 2, these all are zeros. So x plus 4 equals to 0, x plus 2 equals to 0, right? Now the value of x is minus 4 here, and here it is minus 2. This is second step. Next is verification. Okay, you can just do sum here. Sum is minus 4, sorry, it's already given, no, sum and product, so no need to do this. You have to, okay, you can write this step, sum, because I will tell you. See, find the zeros and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So between the coefficients they have already given here. From the data only we have got, or is, you can write like this, we have got this from the answer. Next, from the coefficients you can write it separately. Sum is minus b by a, so again you will get how much, minus 6 by 1, which is minus 6, and the product is c by a, so you will get it as 8 by 1, which is equal to 8. So these steps you can write, that's all. Understood? This is using coefficients. Okay, I hope it's clear. Yes, any doubt? Using this value here we have already got, no, the equation. See here, this is the equation we have, right? So we have the equation, sorry, polynomial as x square plus 6x plus 8. So from this data we can write a is how much, 1, b is 6, and c is 8. Got it? Any doubt? Is it clear? Yeah, so we have solved all the questions of this PDF, actually LBA questions. Okay, I hope you have understood everything, and soon the questions which I have made from this chapter, I'll be sharing that as well in the group, so you can practice that question as well. Okay. Okay.